Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, and we are live. Welcome to the stream. Today we will be doing something a bit different from what I have usually done on the channel. We will be coding in Python. So today we'll be making a game, maybe? Would that be good? Then there's only one person on the stream right now. And that is my other device which is watching it. So I can see what's going on. Meanwhile, let me make some imports. Not sure actually. It can be any game, and it can be just one that's creative. So we can make a game of chance. I already making that for somebody. We got 2 viewers. Let's see. Okay, so let's make some form of platform game where we jump onto a tile and then it spawns a new one. So first, let's import Pygame. some heavy lag. Let's see. I'm not really familiar with Pygames, so let's see what we can do. I forgot. No, not that. Let's try this. Yeah, it's working. Don't know why I was doing that. Hey, it's Lua. Lua, welcome to the stream. No, that's... Welcome to the stream, Lua. Let's see. Let's set this to 1000. Oh, I think it was... You have to set the screen first. Not Pygame, it's Pi. Just Pi. Okay, so now that we have something basic, let's try running it and see if it works properly. Wait, I didn't... Yeah, I just experienced a very hard lag spike. Anyways, let's see. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, that's true. I forgot about this. Running equal true. then while running. For event in py.event.get believe it was this. I'm going mainly based off of what I remember. If event dot type, that's a space, that's what I was missing here. That's why I didn't notice. Yeah, that is fixed. Let's continue. Pygame.type equals, well, equal pygame.quit colon running equals. Hey, what's good, Rain? Welcome to the stream. Now let's set a color for this. So let's set screen dot fill 0 0 0. I believe it was double brackets. Then pygame dot display dot flip, and that should be it. No, I don't want that to happen. Do that. It's fixed. This now. Taking forever to run though. Not Pygame, it's Pi. Just Pi. We're about to put this. These simple mistakes will be the downfall of this. And that's why also, because I forgot that there's no S. Just now let me get some code from. Wait. Trust me, I know what I'm doing, computer. What do you mean that caption? Just already fixed this. Open the file. Let me just do this and no, don't want to delete it. Copy. Now whenever we start the program, let's have this run so that we do not have to deal with the messy terminal. Let's see if it works. Okay, we got a window. Dang, it's laggy. I can barely see what's going on. Let me unplug my laptop. Okay, so we got a window, guys. We got a window. And we got a clear output, so that means it works. And that's good. Now, because I am too lazy to make a character, we will just try to look for one. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but on my tablet it froze.
Testing. Testing.
Okay, we're back. Um, I have a window here for Pygame. Just now, let me actually make something for it so that y'all can see what's going on. Window capture. Okay, so now we have a win. I think I have it set up properly, but you guys should be able to see the window. Okay, now that that is done, now you should be able to see the window that is here. Anyways, let's get back to this. Now this is the furthest I've ever gotten this, so I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna see if I can figure things out because I'm used to using terminals for everything. Like, print. No, it doesn't work. As you can see, this is going to be a bit. Then it says one person is watching the stream right now. Sorry for the struggle, guys. I am not used to this. This is all very new to me. I'm not streaming to Twitch, I'm streaming to YouTube. It's the wrong one. And we have another person watching again. Yay. How about we do stuff related to the terminal instead? Y'all okay with that? Let's actually work on this. This is a project I've been working on for Rain here. So how this is gonna work is we're gonna make a we're gonna make a game where everything's random. So so not really the moves. It's gonna be in turns, player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4 kind of stuff. And what we're gonna do for this is, well, we have to make some way to win. So maybe we set, whoever sets this number and whoever reaches that number will win. Like, so inside the game master sets a number, and then after setting the number, the game master can set a bunch of other features. So let's real quick. Yes, we're gonna have to end by game. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna continue development on this game. I will be silent for a bit because I'm trying to think of ways to get this setting to work. Right now it's trying to get the registration because we have to set player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4, and it can't be messed up just now. And I'm back. So, with this, we need to register. We already have here, I can explain it to you what's going on. So after importing all these imports, which is operating system, time, pygame, and numpy, it clears the terminal and then waits a second. A second meaning time.sleep. Well, open brackets 1, giving you all an understanding of what's going on. Next, we have credits. If I run it, you'll see what I mean. So, first it asks how many players. Now we can set a bunch of numbers. So for now we'll pick 2. Then it sets the credits and then does player name. We can set the player name to, we can set player 1 to be trust, and we can set teams to be 0. No teams. Well, I'm not a team. And then we can set, let me see, let's say rain. So he's player 2 and he's on team number 1. Who's the game master on this one? We can set, let's say rain again. And that's basically how much I have so far. So we have a long way to go. Now we have to make the teams work, because right now they're all numbers. So what I plan to do is set it to be 0 is none, and it's practically going to group them. So now let's do that. So straight after we put who's what and what's is what. Might make it so that it will repeat everything, and then whenever it sees, hey, that this person on the team, set it to none. And then when it's reading it, it'll say this person's none. I'm practically just not assigning them a team. Then with teams, it will have just none. Okay, I'm back. So I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, to end on a team, and if more than one person on the team, they still take that person as a separate player, but it takes the probabilities and then average it out. So if someone rolled a 5 and someone rolled a 2, I would add them up and then divide them by 2. So we're not going to find what that is. I believe that is 3.5. So get 3.5, then we can round it to the nearest whole number. No, I don't really know how to do that. I just know how to do integers. So it'll be 3. So now, let's set it. So right after we set all this, you do print I feel like I did this wrong. It's not supposed to be like that. I know what I did wrong. So how this is supposed to go is a bit different. I did this wrong. I forgot to update this. How you set stuff in class is just very much different. So I can tell you that if I were to do print name after all that, I just want the regular Python file, then it would show not what we want. So if we set players to 2, then we set player name to trust 0 and rain and 1. Who's the game master? Rain. Then after that, notice how immediately after we have print name, and notice how there's nothing. It didn't work. So we have to fix that now. Now in a separate file, I do have how I did this. Is it linear regression or neural net? I think it's neural net. Yeah, so that's how it works. So I have a problem now. How we set, I don't think it will work properly. What I'm going to do is set a bunch of variables. Player 1 equals 0 equals what? Nothing. Then we set player 2 to equal nothing. Player 3 equals nothing. Player 4, and just make sure. So let's see. So player 4 would be 0. Now we're going to do 4 players for now. I'm going to raise it to 6 or 7 players soon. Might make it 8, just so that we can have at least 2 people on each team. Or 4 people on 2 teams. Now we can, so now we'll make it so that we have team 1 equaling nothing, and team 2 equaling nothing. Team 1, oops, double spacing. So now with that, we have to go and set it so that it actually initiates. So we now have to set player 1 to equal player input So now let's also set this. So let's see. Now if we also set this here. Is there a limit to the games you can make based on difficulty? Depends, because depending on the game, then that has to change your mentality. So, like when I was trying to make the platformer, I was not familiar with it. I was not familiar with Pygame 2. Actually recently started using Pygame, so of course I'd have relatively no knowledge on it. Besides how to start up a window, as we've seen, and with that, we have to take into consideration the fact that we have to consider you have to take into consideration the fact that we need to set the need to take into consideration the fact that not everybody knows everything, not everybody is the same, because some people may not know how to do it, some people may. It just all depends on experience. So if I were to say, hey, I want you to go and code the fourth dimension, unless you have knowledge on what the fourth dimension is, how it may look, and an idea of how it would work, then you won't be able to do it, because how on earth are you going to do something that you have no clue works? It's like asking an infant to write an essay. They don't know how to do it. that this part will work. But it all depends on what I know and if I know how to do it. This now. So now we have the next problem. Um, this is player one. We have to set it multiple times. Now, how this is set is that if, well, it's how it's set is this many players. Now we have to change it so that it goes player one, then player two, then player three. So I might try to make. What do you know? I have been studying something called neural networks. So being able to make AI think and make logical statements or learn from experiences. So I can make an AI that learns how to walk, or I can make ChatGPT. Who knows? Maybe I can make an AI that can code for me and learn how to use Pygame, or an AI that can chat in live chat. But all these things have to be learned, and after you learn them, you have to be able to apply them. So you have to be able to take what you've learned, apply it, and not forget it. Wait, that actually worked? No way, that actually worked just now. Clear one. One dot name. Player one dot name. No way. Yeah, that's how ChatGPT works. And also, I can see your messages just as like a 20 or 30-second delay. I don't know why, but this is delay, a huge one. So I see your messages and it sounds like it's ahead of time. So I may be saying something completely different from what I was saying before. So like when you just now said really, I was really confused on what you were talking about, because over 20 or 30 seconds ago I was talking about something, and because I'm also focused on this, I'm trying to figure out what is she saying really about. But then when you see that's really interesting, I now get context of, hey, I was talking about how I can make AIs learn. I can probably make ChatGPT and all that stuff. I now have context that, hey, I just said something about that. That's most likely what you're talking about, because that topic I was talking about a few seconds ago, or 30. I forgot to put comments. So let's see. Did I do this properly, or do I have to make it again? Pygame community. Hello, Pygame community. Let's say 1. Okay, let's see. Now let's set it to trust 0. And who's the game master? Trust again. Now print the data I want. Never mind. Never mind, it failed. It did not work properly. So let's see. What did I change here? At the very bottom here. Shampoo. That's what I put. And that, yeah. What's different? Name, yeah. Player one dot name. Is player one still like just nothing? No, this is taking forever. I don't have any more wait commands after this. Wait, this was the name any string. Player one equals player input. So these values are already set. No, not that. Player one dot team comma, and then I put a string to test to see if it worked. If there are numbers behind this, then it worked. Else, try again. Now let's see. Did I fail or did I succeed? I doubt I succeeded in this one. Let's see. I'm going to have to delete this terminal again. This is getting annoying now. This is getting real annoying. Okay, let's see. Come on. Work. I really need a faster computer. I'll try to get this computer that I have to work. Okay, finally. I might remove the wait commands. Trust 0. I put 2, didn't I? Rain. No, we're just gonna have to put the same thing again to make sure it doesn't overwrite. Come on. Probably should have set game. Probably should have set the game master. It failed. Entirely. You know what? For now, let's Cancel. I do not wanna. I do not wanna. Okay, so let's select a bunch of this and not select it, I guess. I really need to fix my mouse. I forgot what this is doing. Well, next time. So now that's the last line here. Print. End of program. So now we will know if it actually ends, because if it doesn't, then this will not send, nor will this. If this sends, then this one has to send. So unless Pygame is messing with me right now, then it should work. I want to make sure that this stream, we actually get something done. Here we have 26 subscribers. Yay. 27, let's go. This is 27, I mean. Okay, so after 10,000 years, it's finally starting. What do y'all want me to do for next stream? What do you want me to do? What should I do for next stream? Play a game, get more experience in Pygame, something. Learn something new. Watch videos on YouTube. I'm mainly interested in your attention. So whatever you guys feel like doing, I'll do. Well, let's go. We have 27 subscribers. Oh, by the way, what do you all want to see out of my channel? Do you want to see more of Space Flight Simulator? More landing challenges? Do you want to continue watching FNAM? Do you want another stream similar to this? Do you want to just watch YouTube? I saw you played those. Did you play the second game? Nah, yeah, I haven't beat the first game. I only played the game for fun, really. I'm not really focused on if I beat it or not really anymore. I mainly gave up that, but completing it on stream, that requires a lot of frame rate, but I'll do it. Just once. I'll get all this just once it actually performs well. Yep, it didn't work. It doesn't reach the end. There's no more wait commands, there's no more. It just stopped. What? dropped down to one viewer. No, it's two again. It's like it's deceiving me. All I want is the best for y'all on this channel. It's now 12:58. Should I go for another hour or end the stream? Should I go for another hour up till? Let's see. It's 11. It's 11:58 EST. So, well, 11:59 now. Should I go till? Maybe next stream should react to videos and get more knowledge on Paiute. That's actually a good idea. I'll take note of that. Kill the terminal. I'll watch for another hour, but if it's getting frustrating, you can end it. It's not really frustrating, I can tell you that. I find it hard to rage over coding. I don't find a reason to it either. I'm just asking to see if, because the plan was to go from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and right now here it's 1 p.m. so we're thinking if I should end it now or go on for another hour. Just now. By the way, for whoever's watching, join the Discord server. We have a nice community there. It just sent out a fun little game that people can play too. Yeah. So join the Discord server. We can chat there whenever I'm not on stream or not posting a video. You can give me feedback. You can give other creators feedback. Actually, we support just about any channel, and we actually give points, our Discord server's currency, to people who do live streams, or just in generally post. So even shorts can count. Judging by the fact that most people have left by now, I may be ending the stream one time. So I'll work on this a bit more in my own free time, and this may be all for today, folks. If you want me to go on for another hour, speak now or hold your peace until next stream. Okay, so we got a recommendation. Okay, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed whatever I could have made this video of the stream. This will be all for today. I'll see you in probably a few weeks or so, or at least some point in time. I will be keeping you posted on what is happening for the game, and that'll be all. Thanks for watching.